The lapwing gets its name from its often lazy-looking flight. They also have many nicknames, sometimes called the green plover due to the greenish tinge on its wings, or my favourite, the peewit, due to its distinctive call. As their name suggests, you'll find these small stocky waders using their beaks to flip over stones and pebbles on the shore in search of food. You'll also find them searching through seaweed in the hopes of finding small crustaceans and shellfish. The scientific name for the widgeon is Anas Penelope. In Greek mythology, Princess Penelope, who was married to Ulysses, the king of Ithaca, was thrown into the sea as a baby, and she was saved by these birds who were named after her. These industrious little birds get their name from the Old English meaning sand ploughman. This is because they can be seen running up and down the beach in search for food, just as a ploughman would whilst working a field. The word Brent comes from the Old Norse word brandgar, meaning burnt. This refers to the goose's grey and black colourings. In some countries, this goose is known as the Brant goose. The scientific name for the curlew is Numenius arcuata. Numenius is Latin for new moon, and arcuata means bow-shaped. Both of these refer to the curlew's iconic down-curved beak. Calling these birds an oyster catcher can be rather confusing, as they do not eat oysters. They much prefer mussels, which is why in the northeast they are commonly referred to as the mussel cracker.